Today we're going to show you how to bleed the brakes on your vehicle. The normal process would be done by two people, one operating the brake pedal on the interior of the vehicle and another opening and closing the bleed nipple on the caliper itself, and show you a tool that might help you do it single-handedly. The kit comes with a variation of different fixtures and fittings so that it will fit your particular bleed nipple. Before we use the vacuum kit, we're going to release the cap on the brake master cylinder reservoir, just to allow the fluid to flow through the brake system when we release the bleed nipple on the caliper. Now we've released the cap on the brake master cylinder reservoir, we're going to create a vacuum with the tool and then release the bleed nipple, and that will allow the fluid to flow out of the piston and the caliper into the reservoir. And we do that until we're happy that all the air is out of this particular piston on this caliper, or until the clear fluid is now running through and we've got new fluid running from the master cylinder to this particular caliper. While you're doing that, make sure you're keeping an eye on the brake master cylinder reservoir, as you don't want to introduce air to the system, so keep topping that up as required. Once you're happy that no more air is coming through that particular caliper and that caliper is fully bled, or you're happy that the fluid is being renewed in that part of the brake system, then you would tighten up the bleed nipple as we've just shown you, and then move on to the next corner of the vehicle and repeat the process. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe and check out more how-tos like this one on the Silverline channel.